Today we're going to talk about the basic setup of forms and the form tag in HTML. So in HTML, when we want to create a form, we start with a form tag. The form tag has two basic attributes that we typically use. The first is called method. This is the way in which the data is going to be sent. There's two options for method. We can send it by post, which attaches the information to a post request that is sent behind the scenes, or we can use the method equals get. The get method sends the information appended to the URL, which we'll see in a few moments. For now, we're going to stick with the get method. We'll come back to talk about post later on when we're doing server-side programming. The second attribute that we use is the action attribute. The action attribute points to a page that we want to direct our users to once they've submitted their form. I've created a simple page called thanks.html that we will point them to. I'm going to also add a button tag here, and inside of it, I'm going to write submit. Any button inside of a form will automatically submit that form, meaning it will gather all the information, send it by this method to this page. So let's put in a simple input tag. So we'll do input ID equals first name, name equals first name, and we'll put a label in front of that, first name. We'll save that and refresh it. And so here you can see our form. We've got our label, we have our input, we have our button. So if I come in here and I put in my first name, Mickey, and I submit, then it takes me to the thank you page. And that's the basics of setting up a form.